What if you could create cinematic AI videos without a camera, actors, or editing experience? With VidU AI, all you need is a simple idea, and AI can turn it into stunning videos in just minutes. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use VidU AI step by step. We'll explore its most useful features, create our first AI video, animate images, generate AI artwork, and much more. If you're completely new to VidU AI, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how everything works. Let's get started. Once you sign into VidU AI, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. On the left side, you'll see all the available creation tools, including text-to-video, image-to-video, reference-to-video, generate image, and one-click video generator. Each feature is designed for a different type of AI content, and we'll explore them one by one. Let's start with the most popular feature, text-to-video. Click on text-to-video from the left menu. You'll now see a prompt box where you describe the video you want the AI to create. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. Now, the first step is selecting the AI model. For this video, I'll select VidU Q3 as my model. After selecting the model, I'll choose the video duration. Next, I'll choose the aspect ratio. For this tutorial, I'll select 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube videos. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate. Within a few moments, VidU AI will create your first AI-generated video. And here are the results we got. The quality is really impressive, and the AI has created a smooth cinematic video from just a simple idea. Image to video. Now let's move to image to video. This feature allows you to animate a still image and turn it into a moving video. First, click Upload Image and choose the picture you want to animate. Once your image is uploaded, move to the prompt box and describe the movement you want. Just like before, select your preferred model, choose the resolution, and set the video duration. Finally, click Generate. Within a short time, your static image becomes a moving AI video. And here are the results we got. The image has been transformed into a realistic video with smooth AI-generated movement. Which looks amazing. Reference to video. Next, let's explore reference to video. This feature is perfect when you want the AI to keep the same character, object, or style throughout the video. Start by uploading your reference image. Then, write a prompt describing the action or movement you want. Now, select your preferred model, resolution, and duration. There is also a creation mode option available below the resolution settings. From here, I'll select Advertisement because I want to create a promotional style video. Finally, click Generate. Because the AI uses your reference image, the final result stays much closer to your original design. And here are the results we got. The AI has maintained the reference style beautifully and created a professional-looking video. AI Generate Image. Now let's generate an AI image. Click on Generate Image. Here, make sure you select the image option separately. If you want to use an existing image as guidance, you can select the reference option separately. For this example, I'll choose the image generation option and enter my prompt. Now, select the AI model. Here, I'll choose Nano Banana 2 Lite. Adjust the available settings if needed. Finally, click Generate. Within seconds, VidU AI creates a completely new AI-generated image that you can use for videos, thumbnails, or creative projects. And here are the results we got. The generated images look creative, detailed, and ready to use in different projects. One-click video generator. Finally, let's try one-click video generator. This is probably one of the easiest features inside VidU AI. First, upload the image you want to use. After adding the image, enter your prompt describing the video idea. Next, choose your scenario selection. For this example, I'll select General Scenario.
Then choose the aspect ratio and video duration according to your requirements. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Instead of manually creating everything step by step, VidU AI automatically plans the scenes and generates a complete video for you. And here are the results we got. The AI has created an entire video with minimal effort, which makes this feature extremely useful for beginners.
In a city built by AI, a moment of pure human wonder.
Before you start using VidU AI, keep in mind that the free plan includes a limited number of credits. Each generation uses credits depending on the feature and settings you choose. If you're just learning, the free plan is more than enough to explore the platform and understand how everything works. And that's how you use VidU AI. Today we explored text to video, image to video, reference to video, generate image, and the one-click video generator. If you'd like a complete VidU AI series where we dive deeper into each feature, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to ByteSpark, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.